Important to understand that we're getting information of there being a fire in a Goa restaurant where 23 people have been tragically killed. As per the police, the club violated the fire safety norms, visuals of which present on your screens at the moment. Meanwhile, the Goa Chief Minister also visited the spot and has promised stringent action against the culprits. Apart from this, the Prime Minister in the latest has spoken to the Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant. He's further gone on to say that the fire is deeply saddening and has even taken an update from the Goa Chief Minister. Well, as per initial information, the club had not abided by the fire safety norms.
मैं एक्चुअली घर पे जा रहा था, तभी देखा कि आवाज़ आया लाश का वगैरह, तो मैं देखा कि मेरे एक्चुअली नियर बाई घर है इधर। मैं देखा था कि अभी आग जला। एक्चुअली मोस्टली क्या होता है इधर, कभी पटाखे जलते हैं, कुछ फंक्शन होता है वगैरह, तो उतना ये मतलब हम लोग ने इतना वो चीज़ नहीं लिया। थोड़े टाइम के बाद घर पे गया मैं, एम्बुलेंस जा रहे भागे, तो बाद में अपनी गाड़ी लेके उस साइड में गए तो देखा तो ये सब इंसिडेंस हो चुका था।
जो आज क्लब में जो इंसिडेंट्स हुआ, जो अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट्स, इस तरह का इंसिडेंट्स कभी नहीं होना चाहिए। गोवा जैसे टूरिज्म स्टेट में कुछ जो इलीगल्स या विदाउट परमिशन इस तरह के जो चलाते हैं, या और इसी में जो फायर इंसिडेंट्स हुआ, इसी के कारण यहाँ पे जो उनके स्टाफ और एक 3-4 टूरिस्ट जो अंदर थे, ने 2-3 इनको जल के हुआ, बाकी लोग बिकॉज ऑफ द सफोकेशन उनकी डेथ हो गई। ऑल टुगेदर 23 लोगों की डेथ हो चुकी है। जिनकी डेथ हो चुकी है उनके प्रति संवेदना मैं व्यक्त करता हूँ। गोवा सरकार की तरफ से पूरी उसकी इंक्वायरी की जाएगी और जो कल्प्रिट इसमें हैं, जो उनको बिहाइंड द बार्स किया जाएगा।
एक ये अनफॉर्चुनेट इंसिडेंट हुआ है यहाँ पे अल्पोरा के अंदर में एक रेस्टोरेंट कम क्लब है। वहाँ पे 12:04 पे पुलिस कंट्रोल रूम में इंफॉर्मेशन आई कि वहाँ कोई फायर इंसिडेंट हुआ है, और वहाँ इमिडिएटली पुलिस और फायर ब्रिगेड और एम्बुलेंस वगैरह सब ने रश किया उधर। तो अब फायर तो अंडर कंट्रोल है और वहाँ से डेड बॉडीज सारी निकाली गई हैं। तो उसमें टोटल जो डेथ काउंट है उसमें 23 है। अभी इस घटना के कारणों की जांच पुलिस करेगी और उसमें जो भी उसके कंक्लूजन निकल के आते हैं जांच के, उसके हिसाब से हम लोग इसमें एक्शन लेंगे।
Well, on this, my colleague Anuj Rathi joining us on the broadcast. Anuj, we're learning reports and visuals of a devastating fire that broke out in Goa last night. It's claimed as many as 23 lives. Walk us through what exactly was it that happened?
This incident took place, between 12 midnight till 1 a.m., where a massive amount of fire broke out, which led to firstly confusion and ruckus being caused. Initial reports from the ground suggest that the fire broke out from the kitchen, but we are yet to get a confirmation on that. Now, as the Chief Minister and the local DGP there has confirmed, it has claimed at least 23 lives as of yet, a majority of which are because of suffocation. But a lot of these lives are also being claimed because of injuries. A lot of people who eventually ended up succumbing to their injuries. And most of these people, in fact, all of these people were later on shifted to the close by government hospital. Now, what is important to understand is what Chief Minister Pramod Sawant said a while back, where he said that the government will crack down on all of these illegal places which have been functioning for quite some time. Now, talking about this particular party space itself, it has been operating in North Goa's Arpora region, which is a very popular tourist spot for almost a year. And there has almost been no action taken against it, considering that it is in a locality which is preferred by the tourists. Which means which raises some serious questions on, did the government show some sort of a high-handedness and wait for such kind of situation to unfold? Now, as the police has also confirmed that investigation is going to take place, and beside this particular independent event, the police and the local panchayat along with the state government will firstly be sending notices to all of the illegal places which have, where people come and gatherings happen, considering that it's the year ender, considering that, this is the period where the coastal state will see a majority of its tourists. Right. But on the other hand, they will also hold fire audit, something which is surprisingly not been done in a long time across the places in Goa. Now that will finally be done is something that has been assured by the Chief Minister himself.